Hi! In front of me is Hafury GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System. Now tap on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Gboard. After that, select Theme section and tap on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available themes. When you find the best one for you, click on it. I will go with this one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And save it by hitting apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it, you can always do that by accessing the same settings, but this time selecting this plus under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Tap on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!